In today's video, I want to talk about getting a Quotex trading bot, and I need to be straight with you here rather than walk you through installing something. Quotex doesn't offer any official bot, API, or developer access for automated trading, full stop. There's no legitimate, sanctioned way to plug a bot into your account. And I'd rather tell you that clearly than hand you a tutorial for something that could end up costing you. Here's why that matters specifically for this search. Because there's no official channel. Literally everything online calling itself a Quotex bot is unofficial, unverified, and built by someone outside the platform entirely. This particular corner of trading content is genuinely one of the more scam-heavy ones out there, so it's worth knowing exactly what the warning signs look like. The biggest one: any tool that asks you to type your actual Quotex email and password directly into a separate app or website. Handing your real login credentials to something that isn't Quotex itself is one of the fastest ways to lose control of your account entirely, no matter how professional the tool looks. Another major flag: so-called signal bots that require you to register through a specific official link before the bot will supposedly work. That's not a technical requirement at all. That's simply how the person running it gets paid through referral commissions, and it has nothing to do with whether the signals themselves are actually any good. And a third one worth knowing: suspiciously precise, sky-high win rate claims. Things like 90.57% verified win rate quoted with strange decimal precision to sound scientific. No genuine trading strategy or bot wins that consistently, and a claim like that is far more marketing than substance. So what's actually worth your time instead? If what you're really after is sharpening your own decision-making rather than full automation, stick with tools that don't require handing over your login. Quotex has its own built-in indicators you can layer onto your charts, and you can run TradingView separately in another browser tab purely for your own analysis, then place the trade yourself on Quotex once you've made the call. That gives you the analytical edge without ever putting your account credentials in someone else's hands. Bottom line: if you ever come across something promising full automation on Quotex, treat it with the same caution you'd give any unsolicited tool asking for your login, since there's no official version of this for it to be a shortcut to. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.